What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a quick market update today. No regular videos. It's a holiday in the Netherlands. It's King's Day, so wasn't or am not able to fully do do a lot of videos. But I did want to quickly do a market update. All right. So what we'll do, most of you know the drill. But what we will do is we'll talk about some things regarding Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? What's most likely? And that is very relevant because right now in these market circumstances, everything still reacts very heavily to what Bitcoin is doing. So you need to know what Bitcoin is doing in general if you're trading, all right? Unless if you're trading cryptos that are super uncorrelated, but most cryptos are correlated at this moment. So we'll talk about Bitcoin. There's no news I need to report on. I mean, there's some news regarding some specific cryptos, and there's some drama going on crypto Twitter. But I don't think it's worth it to talk about that. I'll tell you which cryptos today, even though it's the weekend, right? Volumes are low. It's not ideal to trade. But I'll tell you which cryptos to look at to potentially take some trades. Cryptos that look interesting at this moment, that actually have some momentum. And then lastly, but I kind of want to start with this, is what I've done on my second channel. So if you go to my channel right here, and you scroll down and you go to Cilinix Crypto Reviews, I have uploaded 2 airdrop guides in the last 2 days on Rhea and Blackwing. This is free money, all right? So check them out. It's very easy to participate in the airdrops. You don't need a lot of money to start farming it. And they will both airdrop, all right? So this is just free money you can get. It doesn't cost you anything except gas fees. So check those out. I really do think that it's that there's a lot of value. But for now, let's get right into it, all right? So the first thing is Bitcoin. So for me, right now, Bitcoin is bearish, all right? What we've done for the last couple of days is we've lost a lot of momentum. Since Tuesday or something, there's been a spot sell-off. And that's not really changing, all right. You can also see that the momentum right here is dropping down in the last 24 hours or so. So it's most likely that we're dropping down, and it's also what we've been doing for the last couple of days. Now we are nearing a strong support level right here between 62 and 61,000. So I think that there's 2 scenarios, and that's either dropping down to that level. I think is very likely, but then from there we'll either find support and get back up to 66,600 to kind of form some sort of a consolidation right here, which would mean that if we hit the bottom and we do start gaining momentum, that's a good point to actually look at some altcoins again, to potentially start buying strong ones. But if we don't get, like, for this to happen and for the consolidation here to start forming, you do need to gain momentum from that support level. So that's something I'll keep you updated on. But if we don't get that, then it's more likely we'll drop back down to 58,000, or the level right there, around 59 and 58,000, which if we hit that level and gain momentum, that's also a good area to potentially start buying strong altcoins. But at this moment, most of the altcoins are actually not strong. I mean, Bonk, Omni, WorldCoin and SSV are showing some momentum here, but you can see most of the market is moving together, all right? And there are no strong altcoins that are outperforming right now. Again, I'll keep you updated, all right? Once there are altcoins that are outperforming, I'll let you know. But for now, we just need to wait for that momentum. We need to wait for some sort of a solid bounce, confirmation that either 61,500 as a support is going to hold, or 58,000 is going to be the next support. And from there you can take some trades. Now, apart from that, onto the most interesting part of the video, I always think. There are some cryptos right now, if you look at the markets, that have some potential. You can see funding rates right here are pretty low for a lot of cryptos, which means that, usually if you see funding rates this ridiculously low, that brings some opportunities. So in general, cryptos with a ridiculous funding rate like -4%, on the Golem, GLM, there are opportunities there. All right, so right now, these are all kind of scammy coins, all right? So you do have to be careful if you want to trade these. But I would say that if you look at the market right now and you think about the cryptos that have most potential to actually do something here, there's a list I can give you. Blur and Stargate. So Blur and STG. Those are more serious cryptos that potentially, or at least that are gaining momentum right now. But apart from that, the more scammy cryptos are, for example, Solar. If that breaks above 39 cents right here, that can do some good things. Power Ledger, or POWR, if that breaks above some sort of a level right here, around 34 cents, that can also rally. Cartesi showed some momentum. We need to break above the 200 EMA. Loom already broke out. We talked about this earlier, or at least in the premium group we did. That could still, after a solid retest, rally higher. And then also, I think I deleted them. But no, like I said, Golem with the ridiculously low funding rate also still has potential. But this has already rallied a lot, all right? So this in general has potential. Historically has also done great things. But I would be very cautious with this one. Personally, I think Power Ledger actually at this price level and with the momentum it's gaining has most potential. So that's what I think you need to know for now. Like I said, I'll keep you updated with the market if anything happens. But for now, not much is going on. Volume is also dropping down. It's the weekend. So I'll keep you updated. But for now, that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.